Guys, it's Tamera here with another video, and we're going to be doing a vlog today. Let's get it. Okay, so I am back upstairs. I'm out of breath. Low-key. So I've got a couple things to do today, and I'm just going to take you guys along with me. The first thing I gotta do, because I'm gonna try to do it while the sun is out, my deck, and I'm gonna take some pictures and make some videos and some content of our products, like lip glosses and stuff, so I can have videos to make for TikTok and videos to post for Instagram and on our story and stuff. So you guys are coming along with me. Like, the sun is beaming, so outside we go. I got my basket. So we're finna go outside. Not gonna lie, it is hot out here. Like, as hell. But I'm about to take some videos and some pictures while I'm out here on the deck, and then I'll go inside. I'll edit them, make sure they're cool, and then I'm gonna make some TikToks today. That was the goal. So yeah. Also, look at my nails. They're super cute. Look. Let me get this one. Y'all, look at my glasses. Look at them. Oh my God. Look at how they shine. I swear, quality glasses. Copy some when we launch. I believe that is all the content I'm gonna make outside. I'm gonna go inside and relax and probably make some TikToks or start working. Okay, so I just got back in the room. It's so hot outside. Oh my God, it's really killing me. So I wanted that sunny glow pictures, like the pictures that just, like, when the sun hits them, you can like literally see everything beautiful about the gloss. And so I sat there outside for I think about 15 minutes because the sun kept going in and out behind the clouds, and I kept waiting for her to poke out. So I did that. I took my pictures. Now I have to reorganize everything. I love my hair. My hair's not even dry yet. So right now I am watching a movie and I'm eating my lunch / breakfast, since I didn't actually eat. But I won't be doing what I need to do, like taking notes, until later today. But I know for a fact that I do need to take notes, and I do need to research something, so I'll be doing that later today. But I'm on the phone with my friends and I'm gonna eat, so I'll check back in with y'all. Oh my gosh, sun-kissed. Okay, but I just finished making a couple of TikToks. I'll probably make some in the house, but I wanted to come outside since it's one of the first days this week where it's not raining in South Carolina, because South Carolina's weather, I promise you, is so bipolar. While I was out here, I took videos, I made TikToks, and I'll put one in here. But yeah, so that's the vibes. I'm gonna go inside and chill and take some notes, so I'll see y'all inside. Okay, so it's a couple of hours later, but I am back. I've been in the house for a little while because I needed time to chill and cool down and relax, but I'm actually about to start working now and take some notes and chill, and then whenever my friend says she's ready to work out, we'll work out. So okay, so I'm about to get to work. I'm debating on connecting it to like my computer, because that's usually what I do. Also because I have to send something to Harmony, but I think I'm actually gonna do that, so I'll be back. I'm on the thing with Kendall, and she's like eating a cookie, and she's so weird. Me and Kendall are working out at 8. We're gonna play a Charlie D'Amelio thingy, and I'm gonna show y'all how crazy I am. Okay, that's enough for TikTok. I'm about to take some notes for like 15 minutes. Okay, so I had technical difficulties. It's like 10:22. I had technical difficulties with my laptop. It wasn't acting right, like it was being stupid, and I got upset. So I took a break from that, and I started watching TikToks, and I got distracted. But I'm gonna take more business notes. But basically, I'm gonna use my phone because my laptop is being annoying.
Hey guys, it's Maya clocking in on the vlog. 12:01, and my dad said he wants me to buy him Zaxby's, so that's where we're on the way to. I can't drive though because I'm a horrible driver. Last time I drove, I ran into a bush. So yeah, it's not cute. We're feeling clear skin all 2020.
That's it.
She said
1758. Can you sport that? If you can't, let me know now before I get up here. So I can
you're already up here.
Oh goodness gracious. I'll get my money out for you and get yours out.
Because I can't find my card. Oh, it's right here.
Oh. You put that back in there.
I mean, if you want to use that $20 bill, use it.
Huh? I don't want to use it. I don't have to.
Thank you.
17.
Drop down. Why is it taking so long for this game to start? Jesus Christ. People are shooting me.
I never came back, but I also never filmed an outro. Follow all of our social medias, which will be down in the description below. Also, subscribe to our channel, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified anytime we post a new video, which will be every Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And tell your friends, share, comment, like, do whatever. Have a nice day. Bye. See you next week.